Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a very delicious and easy Dhaka chicken recipe that's bursting with flavors. You can prepare this recipe within 15 to 20 minutes. For this recipe we are using 500 grams of boneless chicken cut into small pieces. We are going to season the chicken with few ingredients. Here we are adding 1.5 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Here we are going to add half teaspoon of oregano and 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds for a nutty crunch. To bring out the tangy flavor, we will add juice of half a lemon. To bind everything together, I am using 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of corn flour and 4 tablespoons of gram flour. This forms a perfectly spiced coating. Once all the ingredients are added, mix everything well to coat the chicken pieces evenly. Let it sit for a few minutes to absorb the flavors. Now heat some oil in a pan and fry the chicken pieces on medium flame for about 10 to 12 minutes, turning occasionally until they are golden brown and crispy on the outside while staying juicy on the inside. And that's it, your Dhaka chicken is ready to serve. You can pair it with your favorite dip or enjoy it as it is. It's an absolute treat. It's crispy on the outside and very soft and juicy from the inside. If you enjoy watching my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more amazing recipes. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.